Hi everybody, how are you? This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I had a company who reach out to me called Bleds, and they're on Amazon, to check out their paper. And I was able to pick a 1-pack 6x6 paper pad, 160 GSMs, heavyweight cardstock. Let's check it out, guys. I already kind of had to look at this because I was like, oh yeah. And I've come to realize, when it comes to buying paper, I kind of buy my own style of paper I make myself, which ain't a bad thing. But this is the front cover, which, you know, I'm going to cut that off and cut that off. So, I love the texture. Kind of got the Tina vibe going on here a little bit, little Tim Holtz going on. Get 2 pieces of each. Very good weight. I wish it was double-sided, but oh, that's just me. Other than that, I'm loving it. And then, remember, I think you get 24, I believe. I'll count them here in a second. I can't remember. I was so excited when I got it this morning, or this afternoon. Like, oh yeah. Look at that. Loving it. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, I lost count. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 pieces. 22 pieces. And this was $8.99, which I didn't think was a bad price for that. And I love the colors. They have other selections, by the way, so I will have all their information linked in the description box below. Go on Bleds Craft Supplies. And I was checking out their store today. They have glue guns, tools, paper, acid-free, pipe cleaners. I mean, good variety. I'm checking out their glue gun right now because I need a new glue gun. But I'm not, yeah, because look at my poor glue gun. It's had better days. So I was checking out their glue gun. So I might check. It's a cordless glue gun. So, let's see. Hot glue gun blends full size glue gun, 80 to 100 watt stand up large. Oh, that's a large. I don't want a large. I need a small. I have a large. I want a small. But I'm looking at these tools, like see, we're all over right now. Yeah, it is flush cutters, 2-pack soft wire cutters. 2 of them, and you can even pick different, oh, there's different ones too. But I need, like, tools, like, for when I do wiring. So, they got a good variety of stuff in their store, because I'm checking out this glue gun. Cordless hot glue gun, blends cordless glue gun with 30 glue sticks, stand-up, USB, rechargeable, mini glue gun, battery charge. I might have to check that out, because I really need a new glue gun. But, okay. They have 12 by 12. Oh, this one's pretty. Okay, most 6x6 scrapbook in 24 sheets. Look between $7.99, $8.99. 12 by 12, acid free, of course. $13.99, $14.99. You know, so it's a variety. Oh, they have even Christmas in there, and then they have pipe cleaners. So, go over and check out their store, guys. Like I said, I will have it all in the description box below. Thank Bleds for giving me a chance to check out your products. And look I found a glue gun. So, As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.